Jalapa, Namaste and good morning everyone. It's me Sumitra Maharjan, an English teacher of Mangal Secondary School, Kirtipur Municipality, Ward number 10. Today also I am speaking on this Neva FM 106.6 MHz radio education program conducted by Kirtipur Municipality, broadcast by Neva FM Anak Media. First of all, I want to heartily welcome one and all listening to me, especially welcome to class 8 students with your course book, pen and notebook. I hope all of you are aware of COVID-19 and taking necessary precautions. Let's move to our lesson. Dear students, do you remember our previous class? Yes, we discussed the story The Foolish Sage and the Jackal. I hope you did all the exercise. Now, let's move to our today's lesson. Do you guess our today's lesson? Well, habits and behavior. Please turn to the page number 100, Unit 10, Habits and Behavior. Reading. Engage yourself. Ask your friend what good habits and bad habits. Then note down the good and bad habits that you have discussed. Dear students, first of all, we must know what is good habit. A good habit is a behavior that is beneficial to one's physical or mental health. It is often linked to a high level of discipline and self-control. Once again, a good habit is a behavior that is beneficial to one's physical or mental health. It is often linked to a high level of discipline and self-control. Regular exercise, taking balanced diet, getting up early, smiling, writing a to-do list, obey senior and love junior, checking the news headlines, going to bed at a reasonable time, letting the wrong people go, making your own destiny, understanding right from wrong, appreciating your true friends and returning the favor. These are the good habits. Once again, regular exercises, taking balanced diet, getting up early, smiling, writing a to-do list, obey senior and love junior, checking the news headlines, going to bed at reasonable time, letting the wrong people go, making your own destiny, understanding right from wrong, appreciating your true friends and returning the favor. These are the good habits which you do. Yes, your habits are also good. Now, let's move to our bad habits. What is bad habit? A bad habit is a negative behavior pattern. Yes, a bad habit is a negative behavior pattern. Just like smoking, drug taking, gambling, poor sleeping or oversleeping, saying yes to everything, nail biting, sleeping with makeup, lying constantly, loving junk food, eating fast, talking about other people, that is also called gossiping, and procrastinating. Procrastinating, these are the bad habits. Once again, smoking, drug taking, gambling, poor sleeping or oversleeping, saying yes to everything, nail biting, sleeping with makeup, loving junk food, eating food, eating food fast, eating fast food, talking about other people, that is also called gossiping, and procrastinating. These are the bad habits. Now, okay students, look at the following pictures and pick the good habits and cross bad ones. Here are 4 pictures. Yes, in picture number 1, look at picture number 1. What is she doing? Yes, she is reading and writing. And the second one, going to school. And he is tidy and neat. These two are good habits. Yes, these are good habits. Now, next one, look at next picture, blowing horn loudly. Blowing horn loudly. This one is bad habit. And the second one, next one, smoking. Is smoking good habit or bad habit? Yes, bad habit. Yes, smoking is also bad habit. Now, let's move to our test. Note down the main points. Okay? Note down the main points about our good habits. Okay? Good habits. Listen carefully, students. Everyone may have good as well as bad habits. We should give up our bad habits and adopt good ones. We are able to create, change and eliminate our habits. However, it is not easy. Good habits help us control our life. We need to do more in a short time to improve our relationship with other people and promote self-confidence. Good habits help us to be happy in life and find a balance between the time for school, work, recreation, meeting people and other activities. We need to find out what we value most in our life. Moreover, it determines our habits, and our habits will determine who we are. Good habits. Our habits, good or bad, will shape our characters. Yes, our habits, good or bad, will shape our characters. When we are able to deal with our good habits, then we may be able to deal with other people's habits. In order to create good habits, we should have good paradigm in our life. We will never know how poor our current vision is until we get a new and better paradigm. Therefore, let's know about some good habits. Now, we will know about our good habits. Be positive. Be positive. Create a personal mission statement. Think win-win. Listen to others. Work in group. Renew yourself. Be reflective. Try to be good, not great. These are the good habits in our life. Once again, dear students, are you listening? Yes, we must follow these good habits. Okay? Be positive. We must be positive. Okay? Every time we must be positive in everything. We should stop worrying about the things that you cannot control. You should focus on what you can control. That is your attitude, your decision, your response, etc. You can take control and responsibility for your own life. Positive people do not blame others for their own action or feeling. Positive people never blame others for their own action or feeling. Therefore, we must be positive. Okay? Think positive. Now, the second one, create a personal mission statement. Create a personal mission statement. That means you should be clear about our value for life. Yes, you should be clear about your values for life, goals for your career, destination you want to reach. You may create a personal mission statement which will act as a roadmap to guide your decision-making process. Once again, you may create a personal mission statement which will act as a roadmap to guide your decision-making process. Then the next one. What? Yes, think win-win. Yes, think win-win. You can learn to foster the belief in the atmosphere of win-win in every relationship. We must thought every time win and win. So, you can encourage to create an appropriate atmosphere in which both the parties can arrive at a beneficial solution. You should learn to celebrate the accomplishment of others instead of being beaten by them. And the next one is listen to others. This is very important in our life. Listen to others. What other people say. We must listen. You should listen to others. Most of the people do not listen to others very well. The students, you are also listening to me. Yes? Most of the people do not like to listen other people. One of the great frustration in life is that many do not feel understood. This habit will ensure you to learn the most important communication skill, that is active listening. Listen to others. Every time we must listen to others. Yes, you are listening now. The student, how to learn student? By listening. Yes. Therefore, it is also one of the good habits. And work in group. In every unit, there is working group. Working group is also good habit. Yes, good habit. Work in group. In our community, in our society also, there we have to work in a group. Yes, yes. Therefore, work in group is one of the good habit. Okay, one person is better for meditation. Listen carefully. One person is better for meditation. Two are better for study. And more are better for interaction. Yes. One person is better for meditation. Only for meditation, we only one person is better. Yes. And two are better for study. If you want to study, two are better. And more are better for interaction. Yes, interaction. In a group, we can do interaction. Therefore, you should work in a group. You should work in a group to create something better than working alone. Through this habit, you may learn that it does not have to be your way or my way, but rather a better way. Yes, your way or my way, but rather a better way. Now the next one is renew yourself. Yes, renew yourself. You should regularly renew your strength. The 4 key dimensions of life. What are the 4 key dimensions of our life? Yes, body, brain, heart and soul. Yes, body, brain, heart and soul. Smart work is possible on the basis of these 4 and their efficiency. These 4 key dimension is important in our life. Therefore, renew yourself. Okay, students, are you listening? Okay, the next one is be reflective. Be reflective. Reflection is a key technique to reveal your reality, your strength and weakness. Once again, reflection is a key technique to reveal your reality. That is your strength and weakness. You are the best person in the world to know about yourself. Therefore, you should review yourself against your friends, your role model, and your knowledge acquired from your exercise or test. After your reflection, you should not worry about your past. That means after your reflection, you should not worry about your past, but be happy since you learn a lesson from your past and make your future better. Yes? Be happy since you have learned a lesson from your past. From past, we learn the lesson and make our future better. Now, the last one is try to be good, not great. Good habit, yes? Try to be good. Try to be good, not great. You should try to be simple and good. Every people should be try to be simple and good. Simplicity is the best method to get respected and loved by others. The person who are simple, they are respected by many people. and loved by many people. All good people are great. Yes, all good people are great, but all great people may not be so. All people are great. All people are great, but all great people may not be so. The simplicity and goodness in nature are always respected and worshipped everywhere in the world. The simplicity and goodness, yes, the simplicity and goodness in nature are always respected and worshipped everywhere in the world. Not everywhere in the world, not only here, not only in students' life, yes, in the world. Now, these are the good habits. Once again, be positive, create a personal mission statement, think win and win, listen to others, work in group, renew yourself, be reflective, and try to be good, not great. These are the good habits. If you follow these good habits, you will be success in your life. Yes, everybody will be success in our life. Now here are the exercise. Look at page number 103. 103. There are the exercise ways with words which are related with our test. Read the test above and fill in the gaps with correct words from the list below. Here are the options. Here are the words. You have to choose it. Fill in the gaps. And the next one, number 2, read the text above and match the words in column A with their meaning in column B. There are 2 columns. You have to match it. And the next one is read and answer. Read the text again and answer these questions which are related with our test. Here are 5 questions. Answer. No, 5. Here are 5. 8 question answer. Yes, here are 8 question answer. You can do by yourself. The first question is, what do you mean by good habit? Yes, I have already told you that. What do you mean by good habit? I think you can write yourself. If you have any problem, I will help you in next class. Okay? Okay, now before leaving the class, do you want to listen a joke? Do you want to listen one joke? Okay, please listen. Yes, listen to other is also good habit. Now, listen carefully. Okay, students? Okay, I will tell you one joke. Okay, in the joke, who is the doctor's father? Okay, after listening the joke, then you can give the answer, who is the doctor's father. Listen, a doctor was on vacation in a small farming town. While walking through the street, he saw an accident and a large crowd gathered around the car. Going by instinct, the doctor was eager to get to the injured, but he could not get near the car. Trying to be clever, he started shouting loudly, "Let me go there! Let me go there! I'm the son of the victim." The crowd made the way for him. Finally, he saw that lying in front of the car was a donkey. Now, how is the joke? Who is the doctor's father? Yes. Who is the doctor's father? Yes. Okay. The joke is nice one. Yes. Have you got any jokes? Okay. Next day, you will also tell me the jokes. Okay. This much for today. I hope you will enjoy today's class. We will meet next day at the same time. Stay home. Be healthy and safe. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.